not a bunch of air. Pretty bad quality, I would say. For it to not blow in.